Within a year, though, the surveyors still see a rebound. Minus 12% is their balance figure on pricing over the next 3 months, but plus 16% see growth over the next 12. So enough, but not resounding by any stretch of the imagination. Tenant demand is down 4% on the balance figure, but landlord supply is collapsing still at minus 33% still being the print. That's the weakest reading since April 2020. The industry faces regulatory burnout for their clients. But I do make this point fairly regularly though. Larger landlords don't necessarily use agents, but handle things in-house. And there will be more of that going on that doesn't necessarily reflect 100% of the marketplace. Still, those numbers are not good news for anyone, even if some on the left of the political spectrum believe that fewer rental units is a cause for delight. Abolish landlords, eh, Polanski? Watching. The near term's rent expectation balance, plus 15%. So the market quite clearly continues adjusting thanks to inflation, even if prices are not falling. RICS doesn't necessarily encapsulate this in the way that I do, but the figures are the figures. We're still going to print 2% growth this year for UK property. It's still forwards, not backwards, on the back of a nominally forwards figure in 2024 as well, of course. And RICS recognise that competitively priced properties are selling well. And of course, we already know the cheaper stock is comparatively flying out the door. They don't worry about Band H council tax or taxes on properties over 500k. They're nowhere near those problems that are ultimately nice to have problems, aren't they? So where's the real pressure on prices being felt? You already know the answer.